Hey guys, today I'm in my breeding room and I'm just going to do some egg candling of my budgie eggs and just show you what we've got. So what I use to candle actually, shush, is actually the LED light on the back of my phone, which is a Samsung Active S4 Active, and it's actually really quite good. So I'm going to darken the room and I'm going to candle some eggs and yeah, I'll show you the results. It's quite cool. And hopefully I'll be able to get one that's early enough where you can actually see the heartbeat, which is something that's really special and spectacular, and I actually absolutely love that and find it amazing. Okie dokie, I'll see you in a bit. 1 day old egg, you can just see the yolk here and the white. Eggs typically hatch on day 18 to 21, sometimes as early as 16 days. This is a 3-day-old egg. As you can just see, there's a little bit of dark red with the embryo just starting to develop. So it's not showing it very well, this egg is the previous one, and it's actually, you actually see a little heartbeat, but doesn't want to show it today, so that's no good. Oh no luck whatsoever. See the veins, the blood vessels emerging out from the fetus. Again, 6-day-old egg, you can see the fetus and the embryo in the centre there, and that small little blob is its heart. 8 days old again. It's starting to get a little bit darker and harder to see any details now as the embryo gets larger. Okay, so this little egg is 12 days old, and if you look really carefully, you can actually see the baby moving inside. Pretty cool. Come on, baby, move for me. Of course we're not going to move now. There you go, see that little gap close up? Pretty exciting, huh? And this is a 14-day-old chick, so a few days away from hatching. You can see the general outline of the embryo. Check that out. You can see little baby moving under there. It's absolutely awesome. Just trying to stabilize the camera. Come on, baby, wiggle for me. It's the little feathers that you can see sticking out there. That's awesome. Well, there you go. See that little tooth? Big tooth coming out down there. That's so amazing. Go, little baby. You can do it. So proud of my baby. That's him wriggling the egg, by the way. He's doing the wriggling, not me. Are you teaching me, little baby? Everybody, shh. Oh, it's exciting. Yep, so I hope my video really helped you out there. I hope it gave you a good guide as to what you should expect in candling budgie eggs. Leave a comment, subscribe, etc. Like this video, you know, all the jazz. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.